a military based beach.
Beautiful.
It's so beautiful.
Ooh.
That was beautiful. Okay, look. Well, you can't really see, but
It's really beautiful.
the water is like really blue.
Yeah, it's bluer than Waikiki and all of that. I ain't gonna lie.
So, oh yeah, we're here for a birthday party. Guess whose birthday it is? Maya Toto David. Cha-cha! Say hey. Say hey.
Hey!
How old are you?
15.
Still young, but okay.
Still young.
So, say, it's going on YouTube.
What's
Yeah.
the date today?
Too fat for 15.
Yeah, too fat for 15.
One pack. Yeah, yeah. All right, we're gonna go.
He's over
Where are we
there.
going?
Look, there's the colonel.
Hi.
Oh my god. Oh my. It's going on YouTube. Stop it. Oh my god.